The 2010 Audi S4. Powered by a supercharged 3-liter V6 engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 28 miles per gallon. This Audi features a CD player, rain-sensing wipers, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include Prestige package, navigation system, and DVD entertainment system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
There are 300+ reasons the Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts its certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance and peace of mind.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.